Living luxuriously doesn't have to be expensive. Some people spend thousands of dollars on antique furniture when they could be antiquing at home for free. Welcome to Bougie Budget, where we take pricey products and remake them ourselves for less. Today, we're going to give this picture frame a sophisticated vintage look, because the older things seem, the more valuable they seem. With a few simple materials, you can transform an old picture frame or mirror into a faux vintage piece that makes your living space seem more bougie. All we'll need is gold spray paint, paintbrushes, and burnt umber acrylic paint. And of course, paper towels. First, spray paint your frame. Next, dab with the burnt umber paint. Dab, 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 dab. This is an excellent activity for you to do when your butler is busy. Now, you'll wipe away for a vintage, tarnished look. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. If you're really looking to save money, set up an online classifieds alert for furniture and decorations. You can find great things from online classifieds. I met my butler, Jeffrey, online. And remember, President's Day and Labor Day are great times to make those big ticket purchases right before new styles are released for spring or for fall. Now, the most important part of any nice frame is the picture it holds. This is a picture of me walking the red carpet I installed in front of my house. This is my neighbor. Antique picture frame? Now that's bougie. Created with GEICO.